So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to design a 3D logo using the Pixellab, and then we will go to Photopea in order to mock it up. So for the size, I will leave the size as the default size. So I will go to color here, background color. I will change the color to this. It's a kind of darker blue. So if you can actually change it to the best one that will actually pop up your writings, because at the end you just have to save your work as transparent in order to mock it up. So first of all, let me go to my text here, and then I will write the text, which is the name of the brand, which is Prestige Store. So you can actually see it here. So I will go to color and then change the color to, let me say this color is good. So I will go to fonts, and then I will choose this font. Actually, you can actually go to the fonts and download it from there. If you don't know how to download and install fonts on your Pixellab, you can actually search it out on my YouTube channel. I did a video on that, so you can actually search it. So I'm expanding the text. I'm actually expanding the text. So it depends on how large you actually want it to be. But for me here, let me just centralize it as this. Sure, I can actually add it to my own liking. So the next thing that I'm going to do now is I'll go to text again and then write the slogan on the look, bam, rule the moment. Yeah, so I will make them uppercase letters, and then I will just drag it here to the downside of the main brand name. So I will go to font, and then let me see Montserrat. So let me choose Montserrat, and then I will reduce the size like this. Are we good? Yeah. So let me just expand it a little bit and centralize it. So what I will do next is I will actually move it down. Yeah, move it down to this. So I will go to text and then write what should we write? Okay, we deal with yeah. So for this, I will actually move it around this axis, and then I'll go to font and then change it to Montserrat. So I will go to background here, and then what I will do now is I will choose this color as a background, and then I will increase the left fading to, let's say, 11 or 12. Okay, let me say 15. Right fading also to be 15. So it actually depends how you want to design your thing. So for the top padding, I will leave it like that, and then for the radius, I will just, some are saying radius, some are saying radius. So for radius, I don't know how to pronounce it, and you understand what I mean. For radius, let me just decrease the size of the and then centralize it. So we are going higher. So if I want, I can leave it like that, or maybe I can actually decrease the size. Yeah. So next thing that I will do now is I'll copy this text and write, what should I write? What are they selling? Okay, what they are selling is shoes, bags, okay, let's say bags and unisex. Yes, okay. Alright, this is good. I can just okay it and then turn it toward this axis. So I will actually expand. Should I say expand or increase? Okay, increase. I will make it to be at 30 and then centralize my work. Okay, let me just increase it. I don't want the brand name to be bigger than, or maybe I can actually move the brand name to a bigger size. Sure. This is looking more bigger. Why should I make it bigger than that? Let me just decrease the size of this and then centralize it. Alright, here we go. Sorry for the so here we go. So I will actually copy this and then write online and physical store. So I will make them uppercase letters because I want it to be something that someone look clearly to see. It's something that is very vital, so I want it. And then okay, let me just centralize it. Okay, let it follows the background, the color of the brand. That's this color. Is this pink? Yeah, somehow I can see pink. I don't know how to do the brand, but it's pink. Someone saying pink. So the next thing to do is actually to put the icon. So first let me put one thing here, which is BS, which stands for Let's Use Where. So I will go to font here and then I will choose this font, Tasica. I'll choose it and then I'll actually increase the size and I'll place it here. So for this, for this, let me do something with that. So okay, for the color I just need this color. Let me go with this color. It's good. So as you can see, there are 3 colors now. So I will actually go to my gallery and then import some icons. So let me just do that directly. Alright, so I have import all the icons, so I will be using them here. So let me hide this, and I'll work with this. So first, what I will do now is I will go to color and then change the color to this. This is looking better. So I will just make this one to be at the top, the writing here to be at the top. And then I will decrease the size. I'll just place it here. So next thing that I will do is I will unhide this and then let me just lock layers. So I will actually work on this. So let me just go to my color and then change it to this. I'll just resize it a little bit and then place it around here. So you can actually increase the size and I will place it here. This look good. So the next thing is to unhide the next one. I will hide. Okay, I will lock this layer. So this shoe and the back, I will just decrease the size, and then I will make them to be fonts. So I will change the color to, which color should we use? Let's say this pink, and then I will just shift it to the top a little bit. This look perfect, sure. But I need to work on this. yeah, so this is good, but still with that I need to work on something. Let me just move the layers here, and then for this also move it here. So here we go with this. So the next thing to do is actually to put the phone number and then the WhatsApp number and the phone number. So let me just unhide this, guys. So first is the phone number, which I will just reduce the size. Sorry, that is why I love to lock everything. So I'll drag it here, and then from here I'll just reduce the size and place it here. And for this one I will do same. Place it around this axis. I have to reduce the size. So for the phone number and then the WhatsApp number, I will just type it directly now. So let me do so. So as you can see, I actually placed the phone number and then the WhatsApp number. So what you will do now is you will go to here, this icon here, you can see it here, this icon here at the down. So you can go to it and then you see transparency here. So you select on it and then click on save to save your work. So you save it as Ultra and then PNG, save it to your gallery, and then now you will go to Photopea. So let's go head into Photopea. So for mockup, you just head into your browser and type photopea.com. So you can actually see the interface of the Photopea. So you can actually choose from my templates, from template here as you see. So these are templates that are embedded inside the website. But for this open from computer, that's if you have a PSD file that you want to mock with. So let's choose this template and see. So it will actually show you these templates. You can actually see them, so you can select from them, any of them. Yeah, so you can select from any of them actually. So for now, I will just choose one and then do a demo with it. Should I say demo? Yeah, let me just choose one and do a demo with it. Let's say this one, this free office building. So I click on it and it's actually loading right now. Yeah, so this actually depends on your network and then the phone RAM that you are using. It's actually taking time. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so now I'll click on this layer here, and then from this layer you can see my logo here. So I will double tap on it and then I will actually hide this eye icon. You can see it there at the top here. I see it here. So I'll actually click on it and then hide it. So you can actually see it's an empty canvas now. So what I need to do is I will go to file and then open and place. So it will direct me to my phone gallery. Should I say gallery? Maybe files. Okay, phone files. So I will choose the PNG file that we work on. You can see it's actually loading. So I will just kind of edit it. You can either expand it or anything you want to do with it. So I'll just place it here. I'm just like showing you how the thing work. everything usually works. So for this, I'm done. So if you are done, you just have to click on this save as smart object. When you click on file, you can see save as smart object. So just allow it to breathe. Just allow it to breathe. You can see smart object updated. So you actually click on this first layer here. You can actually click on it here. So it's actually loading. Just click on it once and then leave it to breathe. So you can actually see our work. You can see it, but so you can see how it actually works. So I will click on this file at the top and then export as. So I will export it as JPG. Click on JPG and then you can actually see. So from here I can actually name my project. Let's say Betsy's Wares, Betsy's Store. You can actually see it. After naming it, you can click on this save to save it. So the moment you click on save, it is downloading. So you can actually preview it after downloading. So you can actually see what we have done here. This is just how to do your mockup using your smartphone. So thank you very much for your time. If you find this to be very useful, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you for your time. Do have a nice day. Thank you guys.